Hello, everyone. Okay, as promised, I'm going to um, show how to format a book in for pretty much any kind of self-publishing, even traditional publishing process. And I'm just going to share screen here. I'll share that blank document I just created. Okay. Here's the blank document. And okay, so say you have anything, right? It's not so much about writing for this class. I do teach writing classes, but it's not that so much of this tutorial. In terms of the margins, right? So you can go with an Amazon template or a Lulu template or Kobo template, all these different things. But you can do that very easily yourself. Say, for example, and I'll tell you how to do it for both the usual size of a paperback book and also the usual size of a hardcover book. Okay. And also it works for an ebook as well. Okay. So, and I'll also let you know, for a children's book too. Okay. A standard 8.5 by 8.5 margin children's book. So let's start with you would go to layout, okay, and then you go to margins, and you can make sure that your margins are normalized, right? You can change the margins as well as you would like, right? You just got to make sure that in those other videos that I have, that you would then set it to bleed PDF only, right? With Amazon. And with Lulu, you don't have to worry about that. And Kobo, you don't have to worry about that either. But here it's on the custom margins. I'm just going to pull out where it has the custom margins. Pop up that window. Because I'd only just normalize the margins. Just taking a while to load. Okay. All right. So then you go to paper here. And if you want it 6 by 9, you're going to think, oh my goodness, it's that easy. I didn't even need a template. Then just click OK. And it's now a 6 by 9. Okay. Now we'll do something else. And 6 by 9 that can be used for paperback, hardcover, ebook. And then we'll go to custom margins again. Go to paper. It's now 6 by 9. If you want it to be 6 by 9 is what I showed. Okay. Now 8.5 by 8.5 for those of you that are parents. I'm sure you come across children's books a lot. So and this is a standard size, okay, for children's book. There are other sizes too, but for whatever size you want, all you need to do is know the dimensions and click on paper, and you add the width, you add the height, you custom size it, and as simple as that, just press OK. And you've got your template right there. Okay, so I hope that will make your self-publishing ventures much easier. And that helps, I think, people at all different levels, you know, so that may even be at the advanced level, but still using Amazon templates. And oh, something else I'll show as well, because sometimes, honestly, this is something that in my flurry to publish, which is stems a lot from my journalism background. So if you go custom margins, right, I'm gonna go to paper and then set it back to 6x9. Okay, set it back to 6x9. Okay. Okay, so this is 6x9. And then you go to insert, right? And header, you can go with a blank one. Okay. And usually a good tip that I learned in my writing career is you want to try to make sure the font in the header or footer, you could choose footer as well to add your page number and the title of the book, is the same font as the book font. Okay. Now, I won't type anything, but I'm going to show you something. See that where my mouse is hovered, different first page. Typically for book formatting, you click on that different first page. And then that means that this first page will be blank. Okay. So then and then you can go to insert. Oh, I have to actually close the header for that to happen. Okay. And then go to insert, page break. I'll create like three page breaks so that you can see kind of what's happening here. And then go back to insert, header, that blank again. Say, for example, you're using Denjian font, okay, which is something I like to use. Also, what's going to be in this text would be smaller than what's in your header. In the header would be smaller text, font, the size. So say you have it at even 9, right? So the first page, nothing, nada. Okay. And then the second page, okay, let's just call it the crown. Okay. Now, if it defaults this way, right? 9. Okay, just set it again because we'll do that. Okay, it will do that. It'll set to the default. And then just tab it over to where you want your page number to be. Go back to header and footer. There are actually different ways you can do this. Go to page number, current position, and then click on that. Okay, and you'll get your page number. You can go ahead and check. And as you can see, it will paginate your book right throughout. But the thing is, the first page will not be, okay? Which would have like, your title and all of that. If you have kind of a subtitle page, really at the second page, that would have a number, but that's okay. That does look good. Okay, so I hope that answers your questions and that I've come across anyways, helping children, adults, and even seniors write books. And I hope that comes across as helpful.